I'm Rob Burton and I'm a tutor with Addysg, Oedolion, Cymru, Adult Learning Wales. I would say that my own experiences have shaped me as a tutor. I identify with my learners because I've gone through change, retraining and finding new directions in my own life. In the 90s I worked for British Steel and was facing redundancy and needed to find new work to support my family. I turned to what I was passionate about, supporting young people, and I retrained as a youth worker and worked in a local authority for 16 years. For the past 7 years, I've delivered youth support qualifications to hundreds of learners across Wales, and I love what I do. Some of my learners come to us with no previous qualifications, and my aim is to build their confidence and motivation. And many go on to employment, and others carry on learning at higher levels or even go to university. It's a privilege to work with each of them and see them achieve their potential. The switch to online learning has been a challenge. I knew that we needed to reshape the curriculum to suit the virtual environment. We've done this adaptation and created more resources for online learning. I'm always looking to develop and broaden my knowledge and use this as an example to encourage learners not to look down on themselves, but to build little by little from where they are. My job is to give them the courage to make a difference in their community, which they often do.